So we're back here. Look at that, it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. See how it's central, old traditional Edinburgh. It is beautiful. Lovely. So this window ledge, so wants a revamp. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a PVC ledge on it. So you can go to your plastic merchant, you buy a PVC ledge, and then what you do is you just grab that into it. A bit like Jack, you see that? Fits on it like that, you pull the plastic off, and bish bash bosh, a new window ledge. Do you know what I mean? Does that look nice or what? Now with Edinburgh, if you were to try to come up here, you wouldn't get little pieces neat round there. It'd look a mess. So you're better off